Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ni Goikerana Bw'Ekomiti ya Senate ya Public Accounts igoro yo gutumiki obobe bw'ekibesa chingaki kyo gusangireria ebango ime county eyo okwana Sakaja ni KOIRANERIA nakoenike bunambarwete license ase kampuni eyo ire obokoreri bo gusangireria ebango eyo.
Governor, who owns Nairobi Pay?
This is software as a service. Now we've contracted. This was a technical support framework. It's a government system. That time it was ICTA. We have now further done our full contract beyond the technical support framework through the national government, through the ministry.
So how much do we pay as Nairobians for this system? Because here it doesn't even say. It says a revenue share model.
No, we pay for 4.5%. That is what we pay. For administration, for running the software, for updating it, for that as a system.
We pay to who?
Now we've contracted Konza.
How much are they? Who?
Konza Technopolis. So ICT authority, the Ministry of ICT said they are better to domicile it at Konza. The contract we have now is with Konza Technopolis, and that contract we can avail. So it's still an entity under the national government, but the 4.5% is what is paid to them to run the software as a service.
Auditor, we know now who owns Nairobi Pay. Okay. So even the intellectual property rights, we know who owns the Nairobi Pay.
That wealth has never been collected in the history of devolution by Nairobi or by any county. Chair, in the year under review, we created what we call a unified business permit. Previously, you would go get fire on its own. You go to Tomboya, you come to City Hall, you get advertising, you get food handlers, you get 6 different licenses. And a business would have 6 licenses on the wall. They have all been consolidated into one license called the Unified Business Permit. The Unified Business Permit has fire, has food handlers, has advertising, has pest control, all in one.
The revenue potential is 63 billion for Nairobi City County under CRA, and you were sharp enough to develop simulations, especially during the formula, the 3rd generation formula.
Yes.
But I can see you are doing badly. You are collecting 12 billion only.